Let's say you have a worksheet with thousands of rows of data. It would be extremely difficult to see patterns and trends just from examining the raw information. Similar to charts and sparklines, conditional formatting provides another way to visualize data and make worksheets easier to understand. Well, I'm sure that you may not be aware of charts and sparklines, but we will definitely cover them in our future lectures. Let me help you understand with example for conditional formatting. First, we will start with the explanation and then we will go to the examples. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply formatting such as colors, icons, and data bars to one or more cells based on the cell value. To do this, you will need to create a conditional formatting rule. For example, a conditional formatting rule might be if the value is less than $2,000, color the cell red. By applying this rule, you would be able to quickly see which cells contain values less than $2,000. In our example, we have a worksheet containing sales data, and we would like to see which salespeople are meeting their monthly sales goals. The sales goals is $4,000 per month. So we will create a conditional formatting rule for any cells containing a value higher than $4,000. Let's do this without wasting any more time. To apply a conditional formatting, you need to select the desired cells like this. From the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting command. A drop-down menu like this will appear. Hover the mouse over the desired conditional formatting type. Then select the desired rule from the menu that appears. We want to highlight cells that are greater than $4,000. Enter the desired value or values into the blank field. We will enter 4,000 as our value. Select the formatting style from the drop-down menu. In our example, we will choose green fill with dark green text and then click OK. The conditional formatting will be applied to the selected cells. In our example, it's easy to see which salespeople reached the $4,000 sales goal for each month. You can apply multiple conditional formatting rules to a cell range or worksheet, allowing you to visualize different trends and patterns in your data. As you can see, there are several options which you can choose from, like greater than, lesser than, between, equal to, etc. Text that contains, and so on. You can even set your own rule for formatting from the More Rule option. Let's try some of the options from Top Bottom Rule. Let's select the cells first. From the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting command. A drop-down menu like this will appear. Hover the mouse over the top bottom rule. Then select the desired rule from the menu that appears. We want to highlight cells that contains top 15% values. So we will click on the top 10% rule. In the pop-up window, we will change the condition to 15% and select the formatting technique. In this case, we will set yellow. Click OK and conditional formatting has been applied. Apart from this, Excel has several predefined styles or presets you can use to quickly apply conditional formatting to your data. They are grouped into three categories. Data bars, which are horizontal bars added to each cell, much like a bar graph. Color scales change the color of each cell based on its value. Each color scale uses a 2 or 3 color gradient. For example, in the green, yellow, red color scale, the highest values are green, the average values are yellow, and the lowest values are red. Icon sets add the specific icon to each cell based on its value. Now the question is how to use these. Well, don't worry, that is exactly why I am here to help you understand it. Let's go to it. Just like every time you need to select the desired cell first, you will do it the same in this case as well. Click the conditional formatting command. A drop down menu will appear. Hover the mouse over the desired preset, then choose a preset style from the menu that appears. For our example, we will choose the three triangle rule. In the green, yellow, red color scale, the highest values are green, the average values are yellow, and the lowest values are red. As you can see, the conditional formatting will be applied to the selected cells. If you're done with it, you can go ahead and remove the conditional formatting. Click the conditional formatting command. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover the mouse over Clear Rules and choose which rules you want to clear. In our example, we will select Clear Rules from entire sheet to remove all conditional formatting from the worksheet. The conditional formatting has been removed. You can also click Manage Rules to edit or delete individual rules. This is especially useful if you've applied multiple rules to a worksheet.